Hi guys! Peru Morena here and welcome to the Peru Morena Show, o diba? On IG and Facebook because they're kind of together anyway. So there you go. And I just want to say first and foremost, thank you for tuning in, o diba guys? Appreciate it, everybody. Whoever's watching. Okay, so I just want to say kasi last week guys when I posted my first video, I was just, winging it and see where it goes, diba? And surprisingly marami akong views and I even had comments about the shopping things, right? So you guys must have enjoyed it somehow. So I decided I'm gonna do another one, and then this one, I think we're just gonna call this one Find Fab, meaning find fabulous items for less. Okay, diba? Be practical about this. So therefore, we're gonna start with that one right now. What did I find? So I went shopping this week, you guys, and so I found something na cheap, okay? But you know what, guys? I'm sorry because like the sun is behind me right now, but I hope I still look good somehow. We're gonna move to the other side in a bit. So for Fab Finds, so I went like shopping quick sa Ardeen's, okay? You know what, guys? Ardeen's is not bad. It's like, it's cool. It's pretty young and all that. But I just found this out. Oh, diba, guys? It's like a quick shopping before I went to the gym. So, and then I found some items. So, here it is, you guys. I found some flip-flops, okay? And I bought two. So this one I already wore because I went to the pool and all that yesterday, so I wore that one. And another flip-flops audio from Ardeen's, guys. And guess how much it is right now on Ardeen's? It's actually $4.90, but because it's on sale, so now it's like $2, you guys. So ladies, if you want flip-flops for the summer and everything, go ahead to Ardeen's right now kasi marami silang sales. So that's all I bought this time, you guys. So there you go. I got two flip-flops. They're pretty. Here's another one. Pink and purple, diba, guys? And then, sorry, distract ako kasi somebody's watching na naman. Ano ba yan? Because I have to do it outside, you guys. And then this one, guys, I just did it for fun. And look what I bought. I mean, it's like last minute. Like I said, when I want something, I just go for it, diba, guys? And so I ended up finding this one. What do you guys think? I just thought it's so cute, you guys, because it's a cat and it has a rainbow flag. It's like representing LGBT, you guys. O diba? The cat is, I don't know, a trans. Oh wow. Isn't that funny? So what are we gonna name her, you guys? Please tell me, okay? Comment below kung anong name natin. There you go. So there's the Fab Find. I'm gonna put her over here, okay? So cat will be over here. There you go. Hello. Okay, so now guys, I still have 7 minutes left, and these 7 minutes, what am I gonna talk about? Okay, so you guys, you know who I am, right? Peru Morena, model slash actress slash now turned to like bartender. And last week, guys, I just posted those video, diba, for fun na I actually passed my bartending exam and my, my test, and I'm so happy and glad that I did all that. So for that, I figured, you know why? It's Wednesday. It's Work It Wednesday. It's like Hump Wednesday. So why not I make you guys a drink, diba, and show you my bartender side. So today we are gonna start making something that is like so popular, you guys, and you know this. Guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Sex and the City. Okay? So, which is Cosmopolitan. Okay, and you know what, guys? We're gonna change location. So here we go. Wala siyang edit, diba, guys? So let's go with the flow. Ooh, it's so sunny. And I have 5 minutes to make this, guys. So hopefully it'll be less than 5 minutes. Okay, the sun is really on my face now, so I'm gonna move over here. And there you go, guys. Can you see me? I hope so. Ayan. Or I'm just gonna stand, so maybe it's better. Okay, so here's my recipe ingredients, diba, for Cosmo, guys. And I'm gonna tell you what Cosmo comes with. Okay, Cosmopolitan is it's very refreshing. It's like a really good drink. It's like, it's summer drinks, diba, guys? Like, it's very popular, especially here in Vancouver, everywhere, like Yaltown and all that. And who got them famous? Well, guess what? Sex and the City, diba? Carrie, Miranda, Samantha, who else am I missing? Charlotte. They used to drink this all the time. So now, I'm gonna make you guys a Cosmopolitan, okay? So first things first, we're gonna need our stuff. So I have everything here, but what's on Cosmopolitan? Cosmopolitan comes with vodka, triple sec, and some fresh lime if you have some, which I do have some. There you go. And also a cranberry juice. Okay, can't forget that. I'm getting distracted, people, and I'm doing this outside, you guys, until I get my, like, you know, good studio. Okay, so first things first. Kaya wala pa akong bar, you guys. So we're just gonna make this now. So you gotta have your shake, of course, and you want to ice the diba? The shaker. So I'm gonna ice it. Pasensya na, guys, wala akong scoop, so I'm just gonna use this. I hope I could bring this down a bit. Hold on one sec. OMG. There you go. Can you see? Ayan. Can you see me, guys? Somehow. Okay. So first, we're gonna need to do the so ice. So we have to ice the shaker, you guys. Okay. This is my first drink that I'm making, you guys. So bear with me, okay? So if you like Cosmopolitan, like kasi the thing with me, guys, I used to drink this here and there before, but I never actually, like, I didn't know what's in it. So now I know and I study it, so it's awesome, right? So there's our ice, and now we're gonna pour 1.5 ounce vodka for the Cosmo thing. Here you go, guys. So I'm just gonna pour 1.5. There's an ounce and half ounce. O, diba? Medyo ubos na yung aking vodka because I've been drinking and making drinks, you guys. So there you go. And also, we're gonna pour half ounce triple sec, you guys. Half ounce triple sec. And what's in a triple sec? It's actually like orange flavor, okay? It's like a citrus liqueur, orange flavor. There you go. And also, if you have fresh lime, like I said, you wanna, like, you know, if you wanna make it a little limey or a little soury and all that, then squish some in there. So you have that, you know, like the lime juice, fresh lime juice, which is, I think mine is now is not so fresh because it's been on the sun while preparing all this because I have no PA right now. Okay, there you go. And also, we need a 1 ounce of cranberry juice, which is, I'm just gonna pour it here. There's my 1 ounce cranberry juice. We pour it on the shake, and then we mix it all together, you guys. There you go. So give it a good shake, maybe like, you know, like 30 seconds to, like, you know, 40 seconds shake, diba? Just to really get that flavor going and all that. So shake, 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 shake. There you go. Shake mo lang siya, guys. And I think we're gonna make this on time. Within 10 minutes. So, diba, guys? That's awesome. Oh, there you go. I think this is good enough. And then, neighbors, you got yourself some very nice pinkish Cosmopolitan, you guys. Diba, very simple drinks lang siya to make. Like I said, good for summer, fresh, everything. O, diba, guys? And then now you have your Cosmo, and you want to top it with some lime. So you could just pour it on the side like that to garnish it, make it look good. Or, you know, kasi maarte ako, you guys, I could always just put some pick in there. O, diba, guys? And there you go. There's your Cosmopolitan. And for those of you who's always watching me and everything, you guys, and you're from Vancouver, Philippines, I can't wait to actually, you know, hang out with you guys and make you a drink, diba? Make you a mean drink. So this is my first drink that I wanted to make you guys. And I hope that you'll always remember this. It's very like, you know, easy, classy drink. So cheers. I gotta taste it, diba? Since I made it. Wow. It's actually not bad. This is pretty good. And you know what, guys? Oh, this is like, you know, this is like the standard recipe for it, for the Cosmopolitan. So, you know, you can tweak it out if you want and all that, but you know, for the standard, this is what you get. So there you go, guys. I got a Cosmopolitan. So let me know what else you would want to see, or what drinks would you want me to make, okay? And we're just talking about like, you know, the standard here for now, like martini, cocktails, and highballs and all that. So until next one, I think I'm enjoying making drinks. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, like and comment and share. So yeah, and for the next one, see what else we're gonna find in the store and what drinks we can come up with, okay? So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed this episode, and until next one, you guys, okay? So bye-bye. Have a good one. And like I always tell you guys, stay fierce and fabulous. Cheers. Yes. Oh, so refreshing. I love it. Bye-bye.